This week we will be exploring equilibrium, specifically Le Chatelier's principle. For this experiment, all you need is a soda, canned or bottled. I'm going to use a can, and then I'll pour it into a bottle just so we can get a better look. Le Chatelier's principle states that when a system experiences a disturbance like a concentration change, a temperature change, or a pressure change, it will respond to restore the equilibrium. For our experiment, we'll be changing the pressure of a soda to experience this equilibrium. Now, in the soda we have water, H2O, and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a very special molecule that dissolves in the water to form carbonic acid. That is what the carbonation is. This symbol here signifies that the reaction is an equilibrium reaction, meaning that it can run forward and in reverse. When the can of soda is sealed, the high pressure inside the can forces the chemical reaction in the forward direction, which creates carbonic acid. So our first step in this experiment is simply to open the soda pop, and you'll hear the pressure release and a little bit of the fizz. And when it is unsealed, the carbonic acid goes in the reverse direction and reverts back into carbon dioxide gas and water, and that's what you see, the fizzy bubbles at the top. At this point, the reaction is now running in reverse. I'm going to pour it into this bottle and seal it again. With it now being sealed again, I've stopped the equilibrium reaction from continuing, and the carbon dioxide is not being released and now is remaining in carbonic acid. You can see that in the little bubbles all over. That's carbon dioxide trapped and dissolved within the water. When you shake the soda, the carbon dioxide bubbles fizz to the top, and then when you stop shaking it, you give it time for the carbon dioxide to be redissolved into the water, forming carbonic acid again. And there it is, redissolving. Pretty interesting. Now, if I were to unscrew the cap, I would then initiate Le Chatelier's principle again, where the carbon dioxide would begin to release, and the reaction would shift to form a new equilibrium state. Looks like I had it a little too tight because that launched. But now it's shifting back to equilibrium. But that was pretty cool too. That was a buildup of pressure in there from me shaking it and having screwed it on so tight. This was an easy in-dorm experiment discussing equilibrium and Le Chatelier's principle. Please excuse the music from the previous slides. My roommate is taking a shower.